Good day, guys. Okay, after launching the Hachiko indicator on the MT4, now we need to launch the Hachiko Dashboard 2. What we need to do, we just need to go back to the download file. After unzipping the download file, you will have two indicator folder inside. One is Hachiko and the other one is Hachiko Dashboard. We just right click on the Hachiko Dashboard, we copy it, we go back to the MT4 and we do the same process that we did to launch the other indicator on the MT4. We go to the file, we go to open data folder, we go to MQL4, we go to the indicators, and then we just paste the Hachiko dashboard file here in the indicators folder. After that, I have already done that, as you can see. After that, we just close the window, go to the left menu side, indicator folder, just right click and refresh, and then you will see that the Hachiko dashboard will appear on your menu. So now what we need to do is just double click on the Hachiko dashboard, and then the indicator menu will be open. You will go to the inputs, same way that you did with the Hachiko indicator, and then this is the place that you need to apply your license key. I need to mention something, that Hachiko indicator and Hachiko dashboard indicator, both of them will be activated with the same license key. You will have one real license key for real account and one demo license key for your demo account. Either of these accounts that you are using, you can activate both indicators with the same license key. So after adding the license key here in this section, now you need to check your pairs. What I mean by that, we have put 4 pairs on default that you can see them here, but you need to add other pairs too. As we mentioned on the website, it works on all Forex major pairs plus gold pairs. And then you also need to remember something. Some of the brokers, they have some extra symbols at the end of their pairs. For example, in the brokers that we use, we have one exclamation marks at the end, as you can see here. So if you want to add your pairs, you have to add those symbols too at the end of your pairs. If your broker doesn't have any of them and it's just normal Euro USD, USD JPY, just add it the same way that they are. But if they have extra symbols, you need to add them too. So you can get the list of the pairs on the website. In features section, you can find the list of the pairs here. So you need to add all of them to your indicator menu to have it on your dashboard after launching the indicator. So now I need to add other pairs here in this section, and then I need to also make sure that they are matched with the symbols on my broker. So I will add the rest of them here, and I will try to make it as fast as possible because I want this video to be as short as possible. I just add the extra symbol that I have on my pairs depending on the brokers that you use, and then I just separate them with 1 comma, and then I add another pair, and then another pair, and you do the same process for all the pairs that you have and we mentioned on the website, and then you click OK. I have already done this process, and I close this window and go back to the other chart that I have already applied the Hachiko dashboard on this one. So as you can see, this is the way that the Hachiko dashboard looks like after you apply it on the chart and activate it with the license key. You will have all the symbols here in this section. You will have all the time frames in this section, and you also will have the direction of the movement. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And when the direction starts, when the bearish movement starts, when the bullish movement start, you will see all the information here. The other important point about this dashboard scanner is this, that you have all the open price that exactly same as what you see on the signals, and also it gives you the SL and TP, so it helps you so much faster to take action based on the signals, and also saves so much time for you. You don't need to move from one chart to another chart to analyze the chart again, to analyze the condition of the signals. So you will receive all the information here, and based on these two indicators together, you will have better observation of the market, you will find better opportunities, and you will easily open your positions without wasting so much time. And at the end of this video, if you have any more questions, you can contact us at our live support chat on the website, and also you can email us at supports@shareadvisor.com, and our team will get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us. Have a great day. Goodbye.